Thank you all for 1K subscribers. We are a family of 1,000 members now. I am Divya, your math facilitator. We have started this channel 100 days ago and with a vision, with an aim to provide free and quality education to our students. And trust me, the path was not easy. There were many struggles, many failures, many sleepless nights, and so on. But still, we were encouraged, we were motivated by your comments, by your appraisals. Thank you so much for the appreciation. Math Facilitator aimed to provide digitalized lessons which were provided in the paid apps, but which most of the students could not afford. So we were trying our best to give you that feeling of paid app through YouTube, which is free, and we were struggling at least 5 to 6 hours for a video. We struggled to make the video best for you with all the digitalized elements added into it, and we are happy that you are liking the classes, you are liking the channel, and it really motivates us, and we feel responsible, we feel even more responsible to give you our best. So as a part of it, we are planning chapter wise quiz, so you can participate in the quiz. And regarding the chapter wise quiz, the time, date, everything we will be updating you in the community tab. The community tab you will be getting in our channel by 1 week from now. So as soon as it is enabled, I'll be updating there. So all the information regarding the channel will be discussing there, and also in the community tab I'll be asking you at least one interesting question, one engaging question for you every day, so that you can keep your brain boosted. And also I promise you to complete all the chapters very soon from class 6 to 10, and also all the exercises, problems also we are going to complete very soon. All you have to do is support us and spread this channel. As I told you, the path is not easy. We are struggling a lot to give you best experience of classroom. So you also support us by sharing this channel, by spreading this channel to all your contacts, so that we can extend our family. And on this occasion, I really want to thank few persons because of whom I am here now. Firstly, my parents who gave me birth, who gave me good education, so that I am here now, standing here in the position of a teacher teaching you. And all my teachers because of whom I am here now. Their teachings, their experiences, they have motivated me a lot to become a teacher. And my husband, who has been always a best support system for me, who has encouraged me at all my low times. When people have been saying, what will you earn from this, what are you going to do with this, why are you wasting so much of time in this, but still my husband was with me, who was a big moral support for me, and he is the best motivator and my best guide. So thanks a lot. And last but not the least, my cute little son, whose smile always encourages me and gives me positive vibes. So thanks a lot for all of them, and thank you to all my subscribers, all my viewers who have been encouraging me through your comments, subscriptions and appreciation. And also I request you to spread this channel so that we can extend our family, and it helps me to get motivated to do more and more hard work, because I feel responsible that these many students are waiting for me for my class. So do spread this channel, and thank you once again. Thanks a lot.